In construction, we build structures that stand for decades. But the strongest thing we can ever build is a culture. A culture where every cut, every lift, every step onto the site is done with skill, discipline, and an unshakable commitment to safety. This isn't about avoiding accidents, it's about raising the standard. It's about craftsmanship and pride. Forget the endless list of rules for a moment. True safety doesn't live in manuals or posters. True safety lives in mindset. It's the difference between following instructions and embodying principles. Principles that turn caution into instinct. Principles that turn discipline into professionalism. If you want a zero-incident site and a crew that goes home whole every day, teach them these 5 principles. This is the Craftsman's Code. The first principle: master your domain. A true craftsman understands more than just how to do the job. He understands the risks that surround it. Before the first tool is lifted, before the first step is taken, he reads the site. Is the ladder secure? Is the ground stable? Where is the energy, gravity, electricity, motion waiting to be released? This isn't fear, this is respect. Every site has hazards. Professionals don't ignore them. They identify them, understand them, and control them. Know the ground you stand on before it tests you. The second principle: the tool reflects the hand. Your tools are not shortcuts, they are extensions of your skill. Using the wrong tool, or using the right tool the wrong way, is not toughness, it's carelessness. A disciplined worker doesn't improvise with safety. He doesn't remove guards for speed. He doesn't force tools beyond their purpose. He chooses correctly. He sets up properly. He works with intention. Because craftsmanship is not just what you build, it's how you build it. The third principle: be your brother's keeper. No one works alone on a construction site. Your safety is tied to the safety of the crew beside you. A professional watches more than his own hands. He watches the whole operation. If you see a hazard, you speak up. If you see a mistake, you intervene, not to criticize, but to protect. Silence has consequences. Awareness saves lives. A strong crew doesn't just work together, they look out for each other. Because zero incident is never an individual effort. The fourth principle: the hazard is the teacher. Accidents rarely come without warning. They leave clues, near misses, close calls, small failures. A careless crew ignores them. A professional crew studies them. What almost went wrong? Why did it happen? What changes now so it never happens again? Every near miss is a lesson offered freely. To ignore it is to invite the next one at a higher cost. This is how professionals improve, not by blaming, but by learning. The fifth and final principle: your body is your legacy. Your hands, your eyes, your back. These are the tools that feed your family, build your future, and define your career. Protecting them is not company policy, it is self-respect. You wear PPE not because someone is watching, but because you plan to work tomorrow, and the day after that, and years from now. No schedule is worth a lifetime injury. No shortcut is worth your future. A true craftsman protects his most valuable asset, himself. These are more than job titles. They are principles for a long, respected career. When you follow the Craftsman Code, you don't just reduce incidents, you build trust, discipline, and pride. You don't just build structures, you build people, you build culture, you build legacy. Keep building, keep learning, and above all,